Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Nokia 110 4G, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and you have to go for the profiles, and then pick, for example, the normal profile, and then click right here on this button to enter the settings. As you can see, at the first we can change the ring settings, so we can basically change our ringtone for SIM first. So let's make it. We got fixed ringtones, or we can go for the more ringtones, but in my case it's empty, so I cannot basically set up my own ringtone. But if you have here any file, you can simply select it and it will be set up. So let's go back, and here we got the fixed ringtones. So when we enter here, we got few different sounds. So we can change, for example, for trace, and click select if you want to confirm. The same for the SIM first message, fixed ringtones. Currently set up on the message 1, but we can change, for example, for the calendar 2. Click select and go back. The same we can make for the SIM second and SIM second for call and message. Let's go back because it was only example how to change it. It looks the same for the both SIM cards. Here we can adjust volume level from caller, so that's how we can increase or decrease caller ringtone. Click select to confirm on this button. The same for the message ringtone. So let's decrease and set up like that. And here for the alarm and calendar ringtone. Click here to confirm. For the call volume, and that's all from these options. Let's go back right now. Oh, I just misclicked. So I have to enter again for the profiles. We were here. So yeah, I was on the adjust volume. Here we can change the ringtone type as I show you. Here we got other alert rings. So we can keytone activate or deactivate. I'm going to turn it off. We got battery low alert. I'm going to also turn it off. Power ringtone. Let's keep it. Turn it on. Then go back, and basically that's all from the sound settings that you can find in the smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.